So here's a few materials laid out on the table. Looks like a bunch of recycled junk. Actually, mostly it is. We've got some carpet underlay cut into the shape of the figures in this mixed media work. 2 round circles. It's all for masking. So there's round circles of cardboard. There's a couple of glue gun stencils of squiggly motifs and another one made with cardboard and raffia. And basically, when you take those away after you've sprayed, you can use a mouth atomizer or an acrylic spray can, enamel spray can, anything. This has been used with an acrylic professional artist spray can. You end up with a black and white image, minus the areas they stay white where you've used your masking devices. Then I've reapplied the tracing paper with the original drawing on it, just for some little details to be penciled in with some Sarrel paper or transfer paper. You can position it exactly over the negative and draw some detail in, touch it up with pencil. Then you can even make heavier lines with an ink pen. Here we are adding some smushed up pencil to the circles, turning them into spheres, or in this case sort of symbolic planets. There's smushing up the graphite to blend it, and here it is with a black mount around it. This is a very going to be very quick for people, total beginners, to produce, because all of the tools have been made, the drawing is done. It's just a matter of layering it up. So that's just an example of one of the projects that we're going to do in the summer workshops in December.